Revenue growth management has significantly evolved from basic price optimization or standalone promo analytics to a multi-lever discipline spanning across pricing, promotions, price pack architecture, assortment, and trade terms. As these levers have grown more interconnected than ever, managing them independently has become increasingly inefficient and often counterproductive. This evolution is why an integrated revenue growth management or IRGM approach is now essential. With IRGM, we bring cross-lever integration and optimization into a single AI-powered platform, replacing fragmented decision-making with the unified always-on intelligence. By creating synergy across RGM levers and aligning them with a unified decision framework, we enable smarter, more connected choices that amplify the overall impact. Instead of optimizing levers in isolation, it ensures that every action reinforces the others, turning localized improvements into system-wide gains that standalone analytics cannot replicate. The tangible benefit is an incremental synergic impact of about 2% additional revenue growth over standard RGM, with 100 to 200 basis points margin improvement. Integrated RGM is no longer about optimizing individual levers, it is about orchestrating the entire system to drive incremental gains and accelerate sustainable business growth.